This video here will demonstrate how to reset a student password in the case that the student forgot their password and can no longer get into the student portal, which gives them access to the online testing. These directions do come straight from Elluminate. Unfortunately, within the system, we do not have a way to access the passwords that they set up. So the only way to do so is to disable their access and then re-enable it once we have disabled their initial account. In order to do so, what we're going to do is come up here to Students. We're going to go down to Manage Portal Access. And when we get to this point, you're going to see a whole list of students. What I recommend is just using a student ID search. And when we enter that student ID search into our box, our student will pop up. In this case, we're going to reset Charlie's password. The one password you will see is the temporary password, which at this point I have been using the school name that the student is associated with. Now from here we are going to disable Charlie's access. This is going to remove him from the student portal. We're going to confirm with yes, and you'll notice that it does strike through his name and student ID numbers. Now from here we're going to go back in and add Charlie. So we're going to come up to Add a Student. We are simply going to click on Find Students, and the only student that should appear is the one that you just disabled. That is because all of your students are in the portal, so no other students will appear. From here we're going to click on Charlie's name, click on this little box here, and we're going to do a custom password. Now at this point my custom passwords have been the school name, but if you want to keep it simple and just do a simple 1, 2, 3, something very easy for the students to initially get into the system, that is fine. We are going to hit OK. And once we've done that, it will notify us that the student portal was successfully enabled. And at this time, your student would then get back onto the online testing site. They would enter the system, and then they would reset their password. And like I have recommended, please have them use their Google password, reminding them that it is case sensitive. So use lowercase, and that should alleviate any of the problems that we've had with passwords up to this point. Thank you. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email me at any time.